In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Authenticator to your Trading212 account. So this will make your account more secure, and if you want to do this, just click on these three lines in the bottom right of the Trading212 app, and that will take you to this section of the app. Now here you just want to scroll down until you see settings. So click on settings, and here go to the second option that says privacy and security. From there you will see again the second option being two-factor authentication. So click on that, and then currently you may have it on trusted device verification, but if you want to use Google Authenticator, which could be more safe, you can just select Authenticator app verification, and then from there to open this up. Now first you just need to record a video of yourself to prove it's actually you. And then from there it says download a two-factor authentication app, so just install Google Authenticator on your phone and click continue. And from there you will get your key. Now here just click copy key, and now open up Google Authenticator. And then in Google Authenticator click on plus in the bottom right and click enter a setup key. Now here for the account name, just name it Trading212 or whatever you want to name it, and paste in your key and then click on add. After doing that, go back to Trading212 and click continue. And now you can get a code from your Google Authenticator app, which you can now enter right here. So if I would now go back, it will show a code that refreshes every 10 seconds or so. I can then enter it right here, which means it's been successfully added, and you have then connected your Google Authenticator account to Trading212. So now you know how to connect Google Authenticator to Trading212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.